Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and may even find your next great small cap investments. Friday, May the 28th. It's typically a slow news cycle day, and especially when you consider the fact that we're going into Memorial Day long weekend. So for all our U.S. friends and members out there, have a great Memorial Day long weekend. Have a safe one and have a happy one. Now, having said that, I've got two press releases for you. Let's start you off first with Apollo Solar Energy trades on the OTC under ASOE. Nice news out of the company here. They announced that they signed a non-binding collaboration agreement with China's largest state-owned operator of wind and solar power plants to build solar power stations. Apollo is a refiner and producer of high-purity tellurium and other metals for the solar photovoltaic industry. This is a non-binding collab agreement with the name of the company specifically is China Energy Conservation Solar Energy Technologies. Sorry, a bit of a frog in my throat. Let's call that CECS. They're going to build scaled thin film solar energy power stations. Now, why is this really important news for the company? Here's a few things I really loved out of this press release. First, CECS, they're the largest operator of wind and solar power stations in China. Two, they're the largest investor and operator of solar photovoltaic technology in China. Three, in a quote, they came out and said, Apollo is a pioneer in thin film solar photovoltaic space. And four, great quote here, the chairman of CECS earlier came out with a quote where he said, in his opinion, renewable energy sources, including wind and solar energy, will capture about 20% share of nationwide energy demand in China by 2020. He's talking about a decade away. Right now, less than 1%. So guys looking at a 20-fold increase in the market share of renewable energy. You've got to take that with some seriousness given the size of CECS. Finally, what I also liked about this, CECS intends to acquire these power stations through separate financing when they're up and running. So this looks like potentially a great deal. It's non-binding, so they haven't given specific numbers. It's not a specific contract. They have specific numbers and specific dates, but definitely makes Apollo Solar one to watch. They closed yesterday at $3.20, 52-week low, $3. So they're trading right above the 52-week low. Might not be a bad time to take a look at them. 52-week high, $6.25. You're talking about a 50% discount to their high. Make sure you do your own due diligence. Make sure there aren't any skeletons in the closet or any negative one-time effects over the last 12 months. But otherwise, good move out of Apollo Solar Energy. Next up, we've got combined. We got Sage Gold and Gryphon Gold. Sage Gold trades on the venture under SGX. Gryphon on the TSX under GGN. They announced that they're expanding their Borealis gold deposit. These are assays for the next 6 reverse circulation holes on this property, which is located in western Nevada. I'll talk about that in a second. The company say that the holes were distributed into 3 targets that represent over a mile of the mineralized trend. Looks like the highlight hole here is FF16. 21.3 meters of 1.47 grams per ton of gold. Nice number there. Something about Gryphon Gold need to know. They're a Nevada-focused gold exploration and potentially, according to the company, a production company. The principal resource are the Borealis deposits. What do they have there? 1.4 million ounce measured and indicated, 1.1 million ounces inferred, and the Borealis deposits are located in the Walker Lane gold belt of western Nevada. The Borealis gold system, according to Gryphon, is one of the largest known volcanic-hosted high sulfidation gold mineralized systems in Nevada. So that definitely means something there. And it looks like they've got a joint venture here that's been optioned by Sage Gold at the same time. Sage closed yesterday 23.5 cents, just off its 52-week low of 20.5 cents, significantly below its 52-week high of 85 cents. Former client of AGORACOM, should disclose that. Don't have any financial interest in them at this time, but nonetheless, some we should say. And Mike and the guys do a great job over at Sage Gold. And also Gryphon Gold, they closed yesterday at 12 cents. 52-week low, 10 cents. So also trading just above their 52-week low. Do some due diligence. We always like these kind of situations. Good results, nice property. Never know, this might be a good entry point. 52-week high, 32.5 cents. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity on a Friday before Memorial Day. 2 pretty good press releases for you out of the resources sector. If you look for more great small cap information, then get yourself to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch the show. Watch through our syndicated partners if you want to catch up on what you've missed. YouTube, iTunes, Google Video, you name it. 2, watch the best press releases of the day coming out of our clients on the front page. And 3, get stuff into the marketplace. Take a look at dozens of great companies in there that you can separate by industry and or exchange, so you can find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a fantastic long weekend to our U.S. friends. And for our Canadian friends, let's face it, Monday's going to be slow in the market, so enjoy yourself this weekend as well. Great weather in Toronto, and I hope it's great weather for the rest of you throughout Canada. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.